Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Zoeller sump pump is short cycling, running too long, or not activating when the pit fills up, the float adjustment is usually where the problem starts. The float is what tells the pump when to turn on and when to stop, so even a small shift in its position can completely change how the system behaves. In real-world use, things like vibration, installation, angle, or water turbulence can slightly move the float over time, causing inconsistent performance. Instead of replacing parts, a simple adjustment can often bring everything back to normal. Understanding how the float moves and where it should sit inside the pit makes all the difference. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to adjust the float on your Zoeller sump pump so it runs smoothly and reliably. Try these. Step 1. Cut power to the pump before touching any internal parts. Step 2. Locate the float switch attached to the pump or discharge pipe. Step 3. Reposition the float to allow free movement without obstruction. Step 4. Adjust the tether or clamp to set the desired on/off range. Step 5. Pour water into the pit to observe the float movement and activation. Step 6. Fine-tune the position until the pump cycles correctly.